Hey, everyone! Have you ever liked a post or a reel on Instagram, but after refreshing the page, it just disappears and you can't find it anymore? Don't worry, there's actually a very simple way to see all of your past likes. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. At the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select your activity and then tap on Likes. This section will show you all the posts and reels you've liked before. What makes it even better are the filters at the top. You can sort your likes from oldest to newest, or the other way around. You can also filter by time range, such as the past week, the past month, or even a custom date range. In addition, Instagram allows you to filter by content type. That means you can choose to see only posts, only reels, or even narrow it down by specific authors. So, the next time you think a post you liked has disappeared, remember that you can always find it in this section. It's quick, simple, and very useful. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.